Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share with you how to whitening teeth at home in natural ways. The whitening teeth is very important for people who smoke and have yellow teeth. So this is the recipe you can use at home. First you need 3 cloves of garlic, and then peel off the garlic. Next step is crush the garlic using grater. Then give 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add lemon squeeze water in 1 teaspoon. You can use toothpaste which available on your home. And add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Now mix well. You can use it with toothbrush. Then brew your teeth in 2 until 3 minutes for better result. And don't forget to repeat this daily for a week.